Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Happy Monday. Today I have another special unboxing for you guys to check it out. This is the LANCOME product. So let's go ahead and get it started. I'm not even sure what is it. I wipe out some of this and then just want to unbox it for you guys to check them out. So let's go ahead and open this up. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. It's everywhere. What is this? So this is a lift, multi-actions. I guess did she buy two of them or? The bottle looked the same, but let's see. Yeah, it is the same. But the label on the back is different, so And it's so weird, this one does not have an expiration date versus the one on the right. Hopefully they did not just take out the expiration date label out of this one and just put on this sticker. Because there are people, there are like some company that does that, so hopefully LANCOME does not do that. Let's check it out. And this is the Ultra Wear. I'm not sure even know what's this. And the color is buff. Oh, it's for the oxygenate sunscreen. SPF 15. So the package is silver, so it's kind of hard to focus. Let me open this and see what it look like. Oh. So this is for the makeup then, yeah. So this one is like a pump action. You push it and it come out the liquid. Let's move on to this one. I'm not sure is this eyeliner or camouflage. Oh, this is a concealer. Don't ask me, I don't even know what it's for. Concealer. I think it's for the skin as well. You got this. What is this? Eyeliner. It's like a brush or comb. Eyebrow pencil. I don't even know why she needs an eyebrow. She already got the tattoo. Maybe to make it darker. I don't know. Oh, she just like to waste money. What's this one? Powder blush. LANCOME Paris. Let's see. There you go. You got the brush with the powder right there for the makeup. And then you got that mirror. Nice. Then you got this, what is this? So this one is a lip balm moisture. More shiny. So there's a lip balm right there. You squeeze it so it come out. What's this one? So this is for 50 plus sunscreen. This is a 1.74 ounce, 50 milliliter. It says shake well. Yep, smell like sunscreen, all right. I'm gonna put this back. Then you got this, I think this is like a makeup remover. It's all the liquid concentrations on the bottom, and the top is more like water or liquidy. I guess you're supposed to shake it well to mix it right. So, yep. So this is a eye makeup remover, okay? And let's see what you got for free gifts. The bottom is just a label. Seems like a tote bag. You got a free tote bag. And then a small one for makeup. Check it out. So this is like a mesh like tote bag. Got this peach handles or straps. It's pretty shiny. Got this nice gold lettering. It says LANCOME Paris. And this is the bottom. Okay. Inside there's a silica gel right there. It also comes with this one. Oh, this is like a lip shape. It looks pretty nice. It feels nice. Wow. It's pretty rubberized. Is it made of rubber? So this is like a lip. Yeah, it's like a rubberized material, like a silicone. And you got this gold LANCOME Paris pull tag. For you to unzip. You got the gold zip line. And you got your embossed LANCOME Paris right there. Only on the front. Alright guys, hopefully you guys like this video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new to the channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification. So whenever I drop any of the new and latest unboxing or any of the tutorial or DIY, you guys could check them out instantly. Okay? Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.